Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we'll prepare anti-aging face masks using a rich and powerful ingredient, cocoa powder. Cocoa is packed with antioxidants that help smooth wrinkles, boost collagen, and give your skin a radiant glow. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural beauty secrets that truly work. First recipe: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of milk, Benefits: this simple mask deeply hydrates the skin, brightens your tone, and leaves it looking smooth and refreshed. How to use: apply to clean skin of face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe: exfoliating and brightening. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, mix until smooth. Benefits: this mask gently exfoliates, improves skin texture, and helps reduce pigmentation. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin, including your face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with a friend. Third recipe: firming and lifting. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 egg white, 1 whisk until combined. Benefits: egg white helps tighten the skin, while cocoa smooths and nourishes. How to use: apply a thin layer to your face and neck. Avoid the eye area. Let it dry completely, about 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Fourth recipe: collagen boost and elasticity. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of collagen powder, 2 teaspoons of milk, Benefits: this combination supports collagen production and restores elasticity. How to use: apply generously to clean face, neck, chest and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Pat, dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More glow-boosting masks are coming soon. Fifth recipe: nourishment for dry skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 egg yolk. Benefits: this mask deeply nourishes and helps soften dry, mature skin. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck and chest. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse well and apply your favorite cream. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: elasticity and radiance. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of avocado oil, 2 Benefits: this blend improves skin texture, adds glow, and restores elasticity. How to use: massage into clean skin, face, neck and hands. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse and apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Seventh recipe: skin repair and glow. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of Snail mucin gel. Benefits: this powerful combination helps heal the skin, fade fine lines, and give you a youthful glow. How to use: apply gently to your clean face, neck and chest. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse and finish with moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.